Hi, in this short video of OJ Air Cloud, I'm going to show you how to change your device's name and add its geolocation. First of all, you have to click on your device. This can be done in Dashboard here and here, or in Map View here. We then, in Device View, click on the config device and mission geolocation. Here we can change the name and we give the location in latitude and longitude. And then we press save. You can now see that the device's name has been changed, and if we close down the views, we have now our position on the map. Thank you for watching this short video on OJ Air Cloud.